Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on your phone, Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So for this we will need a brush about 2 centimeters long with bristles of that length, and the bristles should be flexible so that there's enough force for cleaning. We also need 100% isopropyl alcohol. This will help loosen the dirt so it can come out, and then it will evaporate, leaving no trace behind. If you don't have something like this, which you can buy in a set on Allegro or Amazon, you can just use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. Once we have everything ready, first we soak the brush in alcohol so that it's wet. If you simply don't have such a diffuser, just dip it in a small container of alcohol and then you can proceed. Of course, the phone must always be turned off. You must never have it on while cleaning. So remember to always turn off your phone before cleaning, with any kind, and only then can we start cleaning. Again, we just gather it here, simply one at a time. We need to clean directionally, meaning first in one direction, make 5 to 10 strokes with the brush, then switch to the other side. The same, 5 to 10 strokes with the brush, so that the entire socket is cleaned. Then once again like that, we repeat this about 5 times in each direction. Of course, we don't use any metal objects in the socket, because we could cause a short circuit and damage the socket. So if there is heavier dirt, or if you want to clean something with a harder tool, it must be made of plastic only. Never use any metal objects. The best is this brush, because the brush is plastic and doesn't conduct electricity. After cleaning, set the phone aside for about 10 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate. And after 10 minutes, the phone will be ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.